Ugh. What's up, guys? Jackson here. Oh wait. Sorry about that. What's up, guys? Jackson here, and today I will be attempting to solve a Rubik's Cube. Yep, a little behind the trend, but we're all good. So you don't know what's gonna happen when you try to solve a Rubik's Cube, so you gotta have some protection. So like I said before, I'm going to be attempting to solve a Rubik's Cube, but before we can do that, I gotta watch some videos on how to do it. Let's go. Oh. I've done my research, and now I'm going to attempt to solve the cube. Well, I tried my best. I got like 3/4 of the way through, but it just didn't work out in the end, I guess. I'm not good at Rubik's Cubes. Man, I never thought that Rubik's Cube, or solving Rubik's Cubes, or failing to solve Rubik's Cubes would be so much work, just because I'm kind of sweating up a storm over here. Maybe it's because it's like 80 degrees in this house, and I'm wearing 2 layers on, but so as you can see from before, I did not solve the video, or I did not solve the Rubik's Cube, so I guess I don't have anything else for you guys. But what if I do have something extra? Just kidding, I don't. You guys can leave.